Begin by attaching the right side frame to the seat using two 1 3/4 inch screws, but don't tighten just yet. Using two more 1 3/4 inch screws, attach the left side frame to the seat. Now, attach the back to the side frames. Note that the POLYWOOD medallion is oriented toward the back of the bench. Fasten the metal tube at the top of the back piece to the side frames using two 1 3/4 inch bolts. Use two 2.5 inch screws to secure the bottom of the back piece to the side frames. Attach the front of the seat to the side frames using two 2.5 inch screws. Attach the middle of the back piece to the seat using one 2.5 inch screw. You may need to apply some pressure here to the bottom of the seat in order to align the pre-drilled holes into the seat and back. Finally, fully tighten the screws from step 1 to finish this assembly. If you have any questions or need any additional support, please feel free to contact us.